I'm doing the best that I can because I want to. Because I came to that realization by the mercy of God, by the kindness of the Creator, by whatever I went through in my life, and mostly it was humiliations that I went through that woke me up. Best friends of my life brought me to the highest levels. The difficulties and challenges and problems and things that humbled me brought me to the truth that I earned. Not the success and the wonders and the great hours of joy and the after parties when I was 17. No, they did not brought me to Hashem. What had brought me to the truth was the humbling truth. And from that moment and from that level, from that place, that I know that there is a Creator, I'm choosing on my own to connect myself to Him and to His truth, to the simple truth. The truth of the Creator is the revealed truth of the universe. That's the truth. There is simple truth, one truth. This is made out of glass. This is a microphone. This is my talit. This is me. This is my iPhone with the camera. We're broadcasting to Rav Dror on social media, through Facebook. You are here, and this is the time. Truth, simple truth. And there is this truth and a deeper layer of truth to it. The intention, the reason why you came, the purpose that brought you, my prayers, your parents' prayers, who knows who sits in heaven and praying for us to meet, and all those things might be deeper and deeper till the end of time, and more, and beyond. But still, it's the truth, simple truth, that you can recognize, that I can recognize, and we can find, and that's the path. And I can connect myself only through that gate. And that's the highest gate of them all.